Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the game build in the launcher so you know if the update applies. Once done, backup saves to an external folder and label a backup copy. This prevents data loss if the update fails. Then make sure your connection is stable. Updates fail on flaky networks, so plug in or secure Wi-Fi. With backups and connectivity ready, open the launcher and navigate to the Updates tab to begin the fetching process. You now handle the core install. Perform a manual update check so the launcher downloads required files immediately. Once the download starts, monitor the patch size and dependency list. Large content can take 10–30 minutes depending on disk speed. While it installs, disable mods and third-party plugins because they commonly conflict with new assets. If the installer requests permission, approve it and let the patch apply. After install completes, don't launch yet. Finish by verifying the update applied correctly. Run the launcher's file integrity check or a checksum utility to confirm files match. Once verified, restart your device and launch the game to test key features like progression, maps, and UI. Re-enable mods one at a time if you use them to spot conflicts quickly. If something goes wrong, crashes, or missing content, restore from your save folder backup, clear the game cache, and rerun the update. That restores a known good state and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.